I actually think there's crap on me now. Oh, it is poop. It's poop. It's poop. It's all over his feet. Look at the crap. It's the crappy poop. Yes, we see it. Hello. These are my servants. I found them here living on the farm, and they've been quite good to me. So, I'm going to show you all my family. This is my lemon tree. And they talk too. This is Filbert, and sometimes he likes to play with his balls. Hello, Filbert. It's a bit green, if you know what I mean. I think it might have influenza. Let me tell you something. The walls here are very temperamental. So we don't talk to them that much, but we do talk to the pigs. And they have quite a tongue. Yeah. This is the grass. And what some fine grass it is. Bow down, I say, bow down. See, out here in the woods, nobody thinks that I'm crazy. Nobody thinks that I'm mad. You can be as mad as you like. And no one can hear you scream. That's where I bury the dead bodies. Right there. And see, my servants know that if they go past the line, it's off with their heads. Oh, this is another bally thing. These things here look like body parts. Now I call this the wolf bang. Now, I don't know how YouTubers do this, where they hold the camera with one hand and they speak with the other hand. It's quite hard. Oh, hello, my minions! Hello, my piggies! Hello! I don't remember the name, so my servant's gonna have to tell you that. Because, you know, there's just too many of them. And I know what you're going to say. You eat them. No, that's only my servant. I only eat my servant on the days that he's bad.
And I take slivers of his skin and put it in a fire.
This is the best ones, because they just had some children. There's shit everywhere. So I'm going to show you what we do with them. Let's get a good look at the shit. The crap on the floor. There she is. What have you done, Mother? She has pooped herself. And there's the children. There's my children. I birthed them myself. See this one? This is my little child. This is Yeti. Yeti, say hello, Yeti. Say hello. It's my baby. Yes, I know. You probably don't recognize me with this much makeup on. Yes, she's so sweet. And it smells like shit. She smells like shit. I actually think it's a boy. But he smells. I actually think there's crap on me. I actually think there's crap on me now. Oh, it is poop. It's poop. It's poop. It's all over his feet. Look at the crap. It's the crappy poop. Yes, we see it. We see it, Marissa. And it's all over me. There's shit all over me. I will bathe in it with my perfume. It'll be my new scent, the Mad Queen. Goat shit. It's perfect. Oh, would you like to see my house? My house is the best house in all the land. Right there, that's my house. And I really love it because it has these very plush, what is that called on the floor? Hay. It's called hay. And it's worth its $1. Part of the duty here at this magical place is cleaning up crap. So anyway, we got to scrub it up, wash it off the floor. Am I doing it right? So you scoop the poop, and you do it with a sweeping motion. And the more you sweep the motion and then lift the leg, you become a swan. So you scoop and lift, scoop and lift. So you just got to scratch it out, scratch it out, and then you find some hidden gems. We call this the gold mine of crop. we eat. Oh, bye. And sweep it up. Sweep it up. All right. This is Domino. Hello, Domino. He's a little bit more scruffy than the other one. But I know this one just wants attention. You just want attention, don't you? Can you give me a kiss? He doesn't want to give me a kiss.
Good for now.
Oh, he's going to escape. Yet he's escaping. He's escaping. He's kind of like me. Like mother, like son. And I think he's eating my dress. Is he eating my dress?
Yes.
Do you have it on, do you see it on the camera?
Yes.
See, he's trying to get milk. I keep telling him I don't have milk. She does. That's why we have her birthed him. But he's convinced because he's my little baby.
The pig.
Come here, my little babies. I love you. Oh, I just got the shit on my face. It just got on my face. It's okay.
All right, come.
This is where I take my bath. And sometimes where I take my bath. So we clean out the poop in the boot. Look at the shit. Very nice. So I'm going to teach you all how I normally take my bath. And first you fill up the tub. And then it's quite easy. You just get in. And then you sit. And get all the crap out. See, you sit. And sometimes I go like this. And I pretend I'm in the spring. It's a lovely day to be alive. If I get sick, it's going to be great. I can control the weather. Now, you think the walls in prison were great? No, they were awful walls. They were mean walls. The walls outside of prison, now they're nice. Now these walls are the best walls. These are the nicest walls because they're old-fashioned. Hello, my dearies. Yes, it's so good to see you too. You hold the spiders of the country. I'm very proud to call you my servants. Thank you very much. Because this can be used for various sorts of things. And while we do this, we sing. We sing the anthem of the farm. Ranch guy, looking like a ranch guy.
How it goes.
I don't remember. I'm lost. Gosh, now she's feeding the tree. Go on. Feed the tree.
You're stuck.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Okay. Is that it?
How long I can go? Ready, Shane? Just be counting out loud as I run. Okay? All right, count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
I can get back within 50 seconds.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Very close.
There's my servant. Let me show you my servant. He is running back with them. So anyway, this is Frisco and this is Jemima. And we're going to see what she says today. Hello? You think I look like a pig? I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, let's play. First one hits the ball wins. All right, first we have my servant to show him that I can do better. All right, servant. Okay. Oh, it's a foul ball. It's a foul ball. Let me show you how it's done. No! It was just a warm-up. Don't laugh at me. Yeah. Is that a home run?
No.
All right. Ooh. Yes, it's a home run. Go! 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 I'm running to the base. Oh. Subscribe and hit the bell notification in case you want to see more of my farm. Okay, we can cut it. Cut it! Cut it!